Hey guys, I need your help today. The old Roadster's broke, and I am too. But hey, this is gonna be a cheap fix. I've gotta get the Roadster back on all 4 feet so we can get ready for the Roadster run in just a few weeks. Let me show you how I got broke. Let me show you the broke part of it, and then I need your help fixing it. Come on. Well, sometimes owning a hot rod is not always fun and games, boys. This is the shock mount on the little 32 Roadster. Many of you guys know a sweet potato. And I use those little polished stainless steel bolts. And I hit a big pothole and it snapped off one of the stainless steel bolts. So I took the other one out. And now I've got to drill and tap that. So it looks like a pretty clean break, but I went ahead and took a deburring tool that's got a flat spot on it, and I deburred it to where it's flat. Put a little pinhole in it. Let's see if we can't walk this thing out with an easy out or something. Well, battery went dead. Cordless tools, you gotta love them. You know, I had to get this little drill, 90-degree drill thing. It does not like that stainless bolt. All right, so after going through just about every drill bit I had, slowly, I finally got the ease out in, and very slowly, with all my fingers crossed and many prayers said, I think I'm working what's left of the bolt out. Now you guys know this could go either way. This thing could break off in there, and then I am really, really messed up. You think trying to drill through a stainless steel bolt's hard. Try to get an easy out. But I see it now, so I feel pretty confident that this is a successful repair. Now I just got to find a nice chrome or polished hardware that's strong enough to be a shock mount. And these have been on here for like 6,000 or 8,000 miles, probably about 8,000 miles now. But there we go. We got it out. Hey, look, I drilled pretty close through the center of it. I'm usually way off into threads, but looks like we got it out. Now I just need to bolt it back up, and we're ready for the Roadster run. so bad. I thought it was going to be a lot more painful than that, but everything went just fine. I made sure that I was patient, did everything slow, took my time, didn't get in a hurry, and did not overuse my tools, meaning I didn't get in a hurry. I let the tools do the work, and everything went fine. Could have been a lot worse. We're back up and running. And that's about the only thing I've had go wrong with this old car in the last 5,000 or 6,000 miles. So I'm okay with that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, tag, share, and subscribe, and head on over to Spanky'sHotRods.com and get you some t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, whatever you want. So if you're through watching, then get out in the garage and go build something. See you in the next episode.